Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a little update on this boho lock tutorial that I put up, I think maybe like 2 weeks ago. We'll link the original video in the description box down below for you guys, as well as in the card, so you guys can go check that out and see like the hair that was used and everything. But I basically just decided I would give y'all the little update while I actually styled my hair so y'all can see how I've been wearing it. So I did do leave out with this style, so just my edges in the front are out. So basically I've just been spraying them with water and then applying Eco Styler gel, and then of course edge control on my edges. And I've been doing this little half up, half down style. I think it looks super cute like this. I've also been doing just like the flip over method, but I feel like this half up, half down is really cute. So I was just like, I'll just show you guys how I've been doing it. So I have adjusted to having leave out. This is the very first crochet braid style I have ever done where I have done leave out. And basically because my edges are getting a little thin from wearing so many crochet braid styles. So I wanted to try this out. To me though, I don't know. I'm trying to decide if this like really makes sense or not. It's like if you're gonna be piling up gel and edge control and all that on the leave out, like does that take away from letting the leave out kind of like breathe? Like, I don't know. So I haven't decided. I don't know if I'm gonna do leave out again for any other styles. I guess we'll just see how I'm feeling at that time. But I feel like it worked pretty well with this one. Well, I feel like with this particular style, because the hair is on the silkier side, like I really didn't have a choice but to like, you know, gel it down and make it like nice and slick. If I were to do a more natural type of hair texture, then I probably could get away with not using as much product. I'm not really sure, but yeah, girl, we'll see if I decide to do this leave out again or not. But the hair held up really well. You guys can see that I'm just detangling it with the 14, I believe it's the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker by Hawaiian Silky. I love that. If you guys are not new to my channel, you know I've been using that recently on all of my silkier crochet braid styles. So this one is no different. I basically just pile a bunch of the product in my hand and then apply it to the hair and just go through and separate the curls. And then I went ahead and twisted it up. So as far as the number of twists, I believe I had 5. So like 4 in the back and then 1 at the top for my little half up, half down style. I do not sleep in the half up, half down. This is literally me just styling it for the day. I actually had not been doing anything to this hair at night. I literally just put my scarf on, put all the hair in my bonnet, and then that was it. But I don't leave the house every day. So if you guys leave the house every day and you want to make sure your hair is looking just, you know, top tier every time you go out, then you might want to twist it up at night into just a few twists. But this is me literally getting ready for that day. So it's a few, I believe, maybe like a few hours I had the twist in, like maybe 3 hours or so. Like I detangled it and then twisted everything up and then like went to in the morning and then like later on got ready and stuff. So yeah, you can definitely do it same day. And you literally just separate the curls, apply the Hawaiian Silky, and then of course you can cut out any pieces that have like matted, tangled up, have knots, whatever. But yeah, overall, this is a super cute style. As far as longevity, I would say maybe like 3 weeks, maybe 4. With this hair texture, I would say you can swim in this one as long as you remember to twist it up at night. If you swim in it and it gets super wet, you're not gonna want to just like put your bonnet on because it'll just be all like matted up, you know, like after it's gotten wet. So you're gonna definitely need to go ahead and twist it up. But yeah, that is it for this little style. Let me know what other types of crochet braid styles you guys want to see for the summer. I already have a few videos lined up, but just comment down below and let me know what y'all are looking for. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!